Tokyo plans to require that new homes have solar panels from 2025. Every home, all homes?
Yeah.
Wow. That's are they going to subsidize me? Solar power station in Kitakata. That's where Kit Kat got its name from. The chocolate bar? Did you know that?
Really?
Yeah, Kitakata.
No.
Yes, what?
Really?
Yeah, you
Okay.
I'm kidding, Will. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But
I have to look it up.
definitely would be a cool place to buy a Kit Kat in Kitakata.
Yeah.
I would like one Kit Kat, please. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government said Friday it aims to enforce a new system from April 2025 requiring home builders and developers to install solar panels on new buildings and houses. The move could make Tokyo the first prefecture. It's been too many months since I got to drop a prefecture, Will.
Sounds cool, eh?
Because I'm huge on when it
eh?
comes to prefecture. I'm huge. In Japan, to require solar panels be installed on all new houses, according to metropolitan government officials. The system is expected to cover about 50 major home building companies. Submit revisions related to ordinance. Gaining understanding and cooperation from residents and business operators is indispensable for the smooth launch of the system. The government will work to improve a subsidy program that the system widely adopted. I assumed that would be the case. They're going to make it a little easier from a cost perspective. Houses and buildings with total floor space of less than 2,000 square meters, excluding houses with roof space of less than 20 square meters. Solar power. I wish Tesla would send me the solar roof. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I don't really know what's going on about that. You don't hear much about it anymore. They definitely won't send it to me, to be clear. But there's some sort of Canada aspect to that. Solar power, the sun. Love it. Let's go. Let's do it. Doesn't make sense in all climates, but it does in many. Japan probably did the math.
I guess.
I'm assuming Japan did the math.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
But I would imagine cleaning it would be kind of tough, no? Maintenance? Anyways, I'm not going to pop this bubble. Good job, Japan.
Maintenance rabbit hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, if you do all the math.
Okay.
No, I'm not going there either. There's probably some environmental argument. I agree with you.
Sure.
We're not going there.
Okay.
I'm just going to, as if I have long hair. Look at this.
Yeah.
I just do that.
Toss it aside.
Yeah, my cable. I just brush it to the side. My kids refuse to cut their hair. They're playing with their hair all the time.
Oh.
I told them.
Let it hang.
I told them their days are numbered.
Uh-oh.
I didn't say that. Yeah, it's the cool thing to do right now. You and I, we wouldn't know. But it's the cool thing to do right now.